Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings quickly with Windows key plus I. This jumps you right to system controls. Once settings is open, choose accessibility from the left pane so you reach accessibility features directly. Then scroll or use search to find live captions listed under listening or speech, depending on your build. This is the specific control that shows captions on your screen. Make sure Windows is updated enough to show the live captions option. Then move to the control to toggle settings. Now toggle the live captions switch to off. This action immediately stops caption generation. If you prefer to adjust behavior instead, open live captions settings first to disable automatic start or change the keyboard shortcut. This prevents it from turning back on. Once you flip the switch, watch the screen to confirm captions vanish. If they persist, use Task Manager to end the captions. EXE process. This step ensures captions are fully stopped and won't restart unexpectedly. After you turn live captions off, close any app that was showing captions and reopen it to verify the change applies. Some apps cache accessibility states. If captions still appear, restart the PC to force system components to reload. Make sure Windows is up to date because builds can move settings around. One key troubleshooting tip: open Task Manager and end any captions. EXE or related process. Then reopen settings to confirm the live captions toggle remains off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.